Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. TONxDAO Airdrop Alert. Big news with TONkeeper. The future of the TON ecosystem starts now. Police car light, get ready for the xDAO airdrop. TONxDAO and TONkeeper join forces. Police car light. Hold on to your hats, because TONxDAO is about to make waves in the crypto world with an electrifying new partnership. TONxDAO has teamed up with TONkeeper, the most popular wallet for the TON blockchain, and it's a game changer for the whole ecosystem. This isn't just any partnership, it's the kind of move that's going to reshape your crypto experience. If you're into the TON blockchain or thinking about getting involved, keep watching, you'll want to hear what's coming. TONxDAO Airdrop. Here's how you can claim your share. Here's the best part. This partnership kicks off with an exclusive DAO Token Airdrop. That's right, TONxDAO is rewarding users who connect their wallets. So, what do you need to do? It's simple. Connect your wallet to TONxDAO. Get ahead of the crowd and secure your chance at the upcoming airdrop. Don't wait. The earlier you connect, the sooner you can start earning, and make sure you're part of this incredible opportunity. TONxDAO and TONkeeper. A match made in crypto heaven. This partnership is all about convenience and effortless access. Now, TONkeeper users can explore TONxDAO without ever leaving the wallet. That's right, everything is in one place. Discover TONxDAO directly in your wallet's apps section. Access features like earning rewards, completing tasks, and engaging with the community, all in a seamless experience. It's never been easier to interact with TONxDAO, earn rewards, and start growing your crypto portfolio, all from the comfort of your TONkeeper wallet. Earn 500,000 DAO tokens with just a few clicks. Here's where it gets even more exciting. TONxDAO is rolling out an incredible reward system for active participants. You could earn 500,000 DAO tokens for doing simple tasks. Here's how. Open the TONxDAO app. Tap the wallet icon at the top right corner. Connect your wallet and instantly claim your rewards. It's that easy. This initiative is designed to help new users get involved and give back to the community in a big way. Why this partnership is a game changer. Simplified experience. No more jumping between apps. Everything you need is in TONkeeper. Easy rewards, complete simple tasks, and watch your wallet grow with DAO tokens. Growth of the ecosystem. The TON blockchain is growing fast, and this partnership is just one of many steps to make it even more powerful. What's next for TONxDAO and TONkeeper? This is just the beginning. TONxDAO and TONkeeper are setting the stage for even more innovation and big surprises. With TONkeeper now in the mix, the future is looking brighter than ever.